Hi everyone. So one thing I learned this week with our course reading that really stood out to me was the use of CRISPR technology in gene editing. I found it fascinating how scientists can now target specific DNA sequences using guide R, RNA, and the case enzyme. The breakthrough has huge implications, not only for research but also for treating genetic disorders by editing out harmful mutations. Learning how this technology works and how precise it can be, it gave me like a new appreciation for modern medicine and genetics. Throughout the course, the assignments on genetic testing and gene therapy were the most thought provoking for me as it really challenged me to think about the ethical side of science. Being a business major and marketing major, we have always seen ethics in business. So it got me thinking, should we use these tools just because we can? Who gets access to these technologies and how do we regulate them fairly? It sparked a lot of questions about what kind of future we are building with biotechnology. This course has definitely expanded my understanding of the human body and genetics. Before I had like a more basic view, definitely. Just DNA makes proteins and that's it. Now I understand the complexities of gene expression, proteomics, and how diseases can be tracked down to a single nucleotide change. I also realized how interconnected everything is, from genes to the proteins they make to the functions they perform in the body. Looking ahead, as I'm enrolled in some leadership and business courses, I can correlate everything in terms of like how all the technology, all the knowledge we have has an ethics side and bias involved in it, and how we have to take all into account, and how everything is kind of like a change reaction and a change in the process of working. And I can already see how what I learned in this course will help. For example, understanding genetic mutations and diagnostic tools will be really helpful if I'm learning about disease mechanisms, drug development, or psychology, or sociology. It's like I now have a solid foundation to build on. Thanks for listening, and I look forward to applying everything I have learned.